Hi, this is Jessica. I want to show you a cool feature in Voice Dream Reader now, and that's the scanner capabilities and OCR option. OCR is optical character recognition, and that allows us to take a picture of print and turn that into accessible text where we can change the visual settings and size of the font, and also have speech to text, text to speech. Text to speech, read it out loud to us. So first thing you need to do is go to the App Store and get Voice Dream Scanner. That gives you a standalone app, but also the functionality within Voice Dream. There's a couple things you can do. We can scan a print page or open another document. And so first let me show you scanning. So let me move this a little bit and I'll open up Voice Dream. And let me do this with voiceover on for a few. Turn voiceover on.
Okay, I turned on Add button.
So the Add button, let's go ahead and add a document.
Add document. Heading. Close. Button. Scanner. Capture image preview. Double tap to capture image.
Let me show you what's on the screen now.
Image preview. Double tap to capture image. Image preview. Settings. Import photo. Close. Button. Edge detection on. Flashlight off. Capture image. Batch mode off. Auto capture off.
I'm gonna go back to capture.
Batch mode. Capture image. Button. Capture image. Dimmed.
And now we have the soccer game on screen.
The soccer game.
Okay. We also have some settings on the right. I'll just play those.
Crop image. Enhance image off. View text or image. Showing. Discard. Keep. Button.
We'll keep this.
Capture image. Button.
Now we want to move on, so we're going to go to Save.
Auto capture off. Page 1. Clear. Save. Button. Save. Alert. Text field. Is editing. The soccer game selected. Cancel. OK. Button. Add. Button.
Turn voiceover off.
OK. Voiceover off. Voiceover.
Just to avoid any conflict as I do this. So I've opened up this soccer game from my bookshelf, basically, and it has opened as a picture of the document, but we can also play it and listen.
The soccer game. There were only 2 minutes to go in the big soccer game between the Jets and the Bombers.
Okay, I'm going to look at my audio settings here. It keeps jumping to iOS Aaron, and I do have several enhanced voices. And so you know that James and Sharon are two enhanced voices that can be purchased through the educational system that districts use. So Voice Dream Reader has made a voice pack available with those two enhanced voices. The voices are usually in-app purchases, which becomes a problem when we have a student iPad that the district manages. But this is cool, so the district can go ahead and get those two enhanced voices in that voice pack through their ordering system. So I switched that to James, which is an enhanced voice.
The score was tied. The ball was in the Jets' area, dangerously close to their goal.
So, sounds great. So while we're in that view, which is the original layout view, which shows you the picture of the page, basically, that you can use pinch gestures to zoom in and out. We can also switch to plain text, and then we get the great settings that we can adjust within Voice Dream. So right now I have real large, bold font there, and of course we can play.
The ball was in the Jets' area, dangerously close to their goal. Rosa, a Jet.
Okay. I'd like to show you quickly a couple gestures that are great to know. So we don't have to always find the play button. We can, a little cheat sheet. Let me put that up. So there's play. Instead of going to the play button, you can play from a specific word with one finger double tap. So I'm going to go up to there and do that. One finger double tap.
There were only 2 minutes to go in the big soccer game between the Jets and the Bombers.
Okay. When it's reading, you have play pause option, and the way you can do that which is anywhere on the screen, is 2-finger single tap. So 2-finger single tap.
In the big soccer game between the Jets and the Bombers, the score was tied. The ball was in the Jets area danger.
Okay, then I just paused it with the 2-finger single tap. Okay. There's also, when you are in this plain text mode, you have an option to reduce the number of lines visible. So if I use a pinch gesture on a vertical axis here, and that's just jumped to showing 1 line, and
the ball was in the
kind of disappeared in there. There it is. So now if I play, I'm just seeing 1 line and there's black masking on the top and the bottom.
The ball was in the Jets area dangerously close to their goal.
I wasn't exactly scrolling right there. All right, so then I jump to advanced visual settings, and I can set that at 3, 5, or 1 lines. And whatever you have recently used is what your pinch gesture will default to. So if I opened it up and I see the whole text on screen, I pinch, and there's my 3 lines of text, which I recently selected.
The ball was in the Jets area dangerously close to their goal.
Okay, that can be a good thing for students. So let me show you quickly opening a document that you already have. So I'm going to move that and open my email. I have a PDF that was in email. I'm going to use the action button or the open in button, and now I have my options up here. I can copy to VoiceStream. Do that. And it's opened up to this soccer game. So let me go look at my bookshelf here. There it is. All items. There's Hermie the crab. And I'm getting a prompt on screen that says, "This document appears to be a scan. Would you like to perform OCR on it?" Yes, please. Then I get a status bar. It's moving pretty quickly. And I'm still in my lines visible mode. I'm going to do a pinch gesture to open that up, and I'm actually going to go back to my visual settings and choose original layout. Okay. So right now I'm seeing the pages of the book just as they were in print, and the pictures, which I can zoom in on. Okay. I can listen to this with my play button. The feature to tap words doesn't work necessarily in the same way when you're on this original layout, but we can listen to it there.
Hermie, can I hold Hermie? She asked. Just for a minute, not now, Alice, said Ryan. I want...
So we can listen to that. We can also go to plain text and change our visual settings. So those are very cool ways to open inaccessible documents and listen to them, or have your preferred visual settings on the iPad. Thanks.